Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 27. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer in sacrifice, whatever you give in charity, whatever you practice as austerity, O Kaunteya, do it as an offering to me.
Chapter 9, Shloka 27. Yat karoshi yatashnasi yajjuhoshi dadhasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madharpanam.
Chapter 9, Shloka 27. Lord shows the way to live a spiritual life to realize the self. We have already seen that the mental attitude is more important than the mere physical act. How the whole life can be lived as a life of divine offering is now explained. It is the offering attitude that brings the peace of spiritual living. Through all acts of perception and response at the physical, mental, and intellectual level, remembrance of the Supreme makes it as an offering attitude. This is not difficult to practice if one understands that the one self is present in all contexts, in the teacher, in the devotees, and in the Lord. To remember the substratum which supports all the names and forms is to remember the self. Like the gold in all ornaments and mud in all pots, the self is the essential stuff in all names and forms. World is an echo of our within. If we approach life with love and respect as a result of understanding the divine in us, life will respect and love us too. Thus, the spirit of offering is the secret method by which we can constantly remember the Supreme anytime, any place, and in any situation. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.